Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll explore how writers can supercharge their productivity using AI tools like ChatGPT for content creation. Whether you're crafting blog posts, social media content, or even brainstorming ideas, ChatGPT can be a game changer. Let's get started. Step 1. Generating ideas. Stuck with writer's block? Use ChatGPT to brainstorm topics or outline ideas. For example, you can ask, give me blog topics about sustainable living. What are trending topics in the tech industry? ChatGPT will provide you with creative suggestions to kickstart your content. Step 2. Creating outlines. Once you have your topic, you can ask ChatGPT to create a detailed outline. For instance, outline a blog post about the benefits of remote work. This saves time and provides a structured starting point for your writing. Step 3. Writing drafts. You can have ChatGPT draft paragraphs or sections for your article. Simply input prompts like, write an introduction for a blog about digital nomad lifestyles. ChatGPT provides quick drafts that you can tweak and refine as needed. Step 4. Editing and polishing. Already have a draft? Ask ChatGPT to enhance it. For example, rewrite this paragraph to make it more engaging. Simplify this explanation for a broader audience. ChatGPT can help you refine your tone, grammar, and style effortlessly. Step 5. Creating headlines and taglines. Struggling to come up with catchy headlines? ChatGPT can help generate options. Suggest 5 headlines for a blog about healthy eating habits. You'll get creative suggestions to make your content stand out. Step 6. Writing across formats. ChatGPT isn't just for blogs. Use it to draft social media captions, video scripts, email newsletters. Simply guide the tool with clear prompts and it can adapt to the format you need. Pro tips for using ChatGPT effectively. 1. Be specific. The clearer your prompt, the better the response. 2. Iterate. Don't hesitate to ask for revisions or try different phrasings to refine results. 3. Combine AI and human creativity. ChatGPT is a tool, not a replacement for your unique voice. Use it to enhance, not replace, your creative process. With ChatGPT, writers have a versatile assistant to make content creation faster, easier, and more enjoyable. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, integrating AI into your workflow can take your writing to the next level. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more productivity tips. See you in the next video.